certainly for much of the week ahead. If we take a look back at what happened on Thursday, we had this fairly active weather front, this cold front which crossed west to east across the country, bringing squally showers, even some isolated tornadoes across parts of Wales and central England, causing damage such as the scenes behind me. So we did have some very gusty winds and some heavy showers too, but now our attention is increasingly turning to wintry showers. The radar image shows from Thursday evening that we had some snowfall across Scotland, Northern Ireland and northwest England too. Here was an image captured by one of our weather watchers, in fact, late on Thursday, showing that snow accumulating in Londonderry there. Now, as we move through the course of Friday then, we've still got wintry showers, so sleet and snow across parts of western Scotland, northwest England and Northern Ireland, some iciness here early on in the day. Also for Wales and the southwest of England, some showers that will mainly be falling as rain, some sleet over the higher ground. Eastern England and eastern Scotland faring best in terms of sunnier and drier weather, but it will be cold, just 2 to 8 degrees. And then on through the weekend, things will feel cold still. There'll be some wintry sunshine around, but increasingly wet and windy weather likely to arrive in the south late on Saturday and into Sunday. So let's take a look at the weekend in a little bit more detail. Still some showers around to start the day on Saturday with a northwesterly airflow. Now that's bringing us fairly good visibility. After an early frost, there'll be some wintry sunshine on offer. Still some showers coming in across the west of Scotland, northwest England and Northern Ireland in particular, where there will be falling as snow over the top of the hills. Elsewhere, a lot of dry weather through much of the day, just 3 to 9 degrees or so, so still fairly cool. But late on Saturday and into Sunday, our attention turns to this area of low pressure coming in from the southwest. You can see the proximity of the isobars, so particularly on the southern flank of that low pressure, and that means we're set to see some fairly strong winds. Likely to see the strongest of the winds somewhere around about the southwest of England, South Wales, up towards Lincolnshire and East Anglia too. But there is a less likely scenario that the storm could be a little bit further south, bringing the strongest of the winds through the English Channel and across northern France. So some uncertainty about the exact positioning of this storm on Sunday, but it looks like we'll see heavy rain initially from the southwest of England, moving northeast up towards the Midlands and southeast too, bringing with it some strong and some gusty winds. It's looking quieter towards the north and the west of the country, and that situation continues for Monday too. So lots of fairly dry, settled weather across many northern and western parts, whereas towards the south and southeast we're still likely to have the influence of a front fairly close by, bringing some rain and brisk winds. Into Tuesday, it looks like that front could nudge a little bit further westwards, so we're likely to see rain through parts of central and eastern England through Tuesday, but elsewhere a lot of dry and fairly bright weather, although still fairly cool for the time of year. So on into the middle part of next week. Well, our weather dominated by the fact that we'll have this big area of high pressure likely to build in from the northwest, quietening things down, but at the same time low pressure out towards the east or southeast, bringing spells of rain at times. So a northwest to southeast split, with the wettest and windiest of the weather towards the east and southeast, drier and brighter weather likely late next week towards the northwest of the country as that high pressure builds in. So things will